Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start account recovery using your recovery email or phone on the Google Account Recovery page. Use the same device and network you used before the reset to improve verification success. Provide exact answers for security questions and enter previous passwords you used on that account. Check any recovery email for one-time codes and enter them promptly when requested. If you recently changed your password or completed a security reset, allow 72 hours for Google to reauthorize sign-in attempts. Perform a network change back to the original Wi-Fi or mobile carrier used with the account. On Android, clear Google Play Services and Google Services Framework cache before attempting sign-in again. Remove and re-add your Google account from the device settings after clearing that cache and rebooting the device. Use the device verification prompt or the last used device to complete two-step verification when prompted by Google. If factory reset protection blocks access, sign in with the originally synced account credentials. Complete the Google account recovery form with as many precise details as possible about the account. Include exact creation month, used devices, and recent passwords to increase the chance of recovery approval. If recovery fails, look for Google support email or appeal option and be prepared to wait for human review. Enable two-step verification and add at least one recovery email and phone number to prevent future lockouts. Store backup codes offline and record dates of major password changes for future verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.